Welcome to a new way of thinking and new choices. TLC means tender loving care. With TLC Clean, you get healthier ingredients. Health is important for you and your loved ones. You save money. You get the best results possible.
And that's what you want for your family.
You save time. TLC Clean works hard so you don't have to. After all, you've got better things to do. TLC Clean is friendly to the environment, to the waterways, the air you breathe. We help you make the most of the Earth's precious resources. Tender loving care is at the heart of all we do. We are TLC Clean. So why just clean when you can get tender loving care?